Hey guys, I'm Rob. This is Little Man Cave on the Prairie, and I figured today I'd do a Chevy Tracker cold start. I live in Canada, and it's pretty cold today. It's 35 or 40 below, I'm not sure, but it's cold. So let's see how the old Tracker does for a cold day. Now this isn't plugged in or anything. I imagine I'll have to... Ooh, she's cold. Oh, she's gonna rev up, dude. But $3,000, that's not too bad, you know. Just figured I'd show you guys how good these little things are. Like, it's cold. Like, you can see my breath easily. And she's gonna rev up, and then she'll slowly start coming down. God, I gotta clean this thing out. Yeah, she's sitting around the 3,700, which is fine. These things rev up, you know, they're high revvers and they can handle it. And it is, like I said, really cold. But yeah, the old girl, she always starts. This is a 1989 8-valve 1.6 liter, and I gotta say, I love it. Yeah, it's gonna do this for a bit. It's standard, just in case anyone wants to know what the difference is. And I'm just gonna keep her going till she kicks down. A little bit of a kick down. And this is all real time. I'm not going to edit it, you know. She's got her groove. Now she's starting to... I don't throw on the heat or anything until... well, you won't get any heat either until you actually hit that line right there on the cold. Once you hit that, you can just throw the heat on. Yeah, not too bad, eh? Tracker. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys there. She's starting to come down, and as I let it run, it'll come down even more until she's at idling, which she idles perfect throughout this stuff. And but that's a handy little thing, you know, like when you know that your vehicle is just gonna start in the cold, whether it's plugged in or not. Now that I'll say right now that that's not very good for it. You should plug in your vehicle. I just happened to forget last night, and I really wasn't expecting the cold that we're having today. Like, my water pipes are frozen. It's that cold. But yeah, coming down. Just figured I'd do a cold start for you guys. And there, see, yeah. It'll kind of wander around there for a little bit and then slowly come down. But yeah, if you guys like the cold start, give a share and a like and all that jazz. And I think what we're gonna do for the next one is show you guys how we get more heat out of our trackers during this time. So stay tuned, hit the bell, hit the subscribe button. If you don't hit the bell, you won't get notified when the videos come out. It's a new YouTube thing. You can't just subscribe. You actually have to physically hit the little blue bell there. So hit that, and we'll get lots more out to you guys. Thanks for joining in.